Hey buddy, it's me, Angry Birds, and we're gonna watch the Angry Birds movie. Oh yeah, yes we're gonna do, So are you guys ready for the playing? Alright, 1, 2, 3. One, two, three, and kick! You're mean. You're mean. Yeah, the ladies. Oh snap! No! No!
Hey Red, how are you? Oh, I'm horrible. Mr. Red? This seems to be a
Dude!
Am I a passionate bird?
Yeah.
Yes, but why does it matter that we're not the same?
Ha ha! Ha! Ha ha! Ha! Ah! Oh,
Don't look, Bobby. The anger might be contagious.
He started it.
yeah, he actually did start it.
Hurry! Something's coming!
It's a boat, stupids!
I am a pig.
What's a pig?
Show him how we do it. How you doing? Is that what I think it is? Excuse me? Those are fragile, right? Not yours. You are making our guests feel unwelcome. And you're not asking basic questions. Well, this just got awkward.
Yeah, super awkward.
Anyone see what's going on here? The whole world is in danger, and it's up to us to stop them.
Ooh. Ouch.
Anyone knows what these pigs are up to? It's Mighty Eagle.
It's Mighty Eagle's Lake of Wisdom!
Get out of there.
No, get out of there!
Spit in his mouth. No, don't spit it.
No, no, no.
Oh, don't swallow it.
Oh no. There he is.
It's him.
What the heck?
Horrible turn of events. Horrible.
Oh my gosh.